At the horizon in the east, the first rays of sunlight broke through dawn, casting a golden glow over the entirety of Red Cloud Town. Nestled among the mountains, this small town was named Red Cloud because of its unique geographical location, which bathed it in golden radiance at sunrise, making it appear as though it were wrapped in golden light. Yen, a youth dressed in simple gray cloth, stood on a small hill outside the town, gazing intently at the rising sun in the distance. His face still bore the softness of youth, but his amethyst gold eyes sparkled with a depth and determination that belied his age. "Yen, what are you doing here again?" a gentle voice interrupted his contemplation. Yen turned to see the speaker, the village pharmacist and also his friend, Qingfeng. "I am waiting for a beginning." Yan's voice was calm but filled with anticipation. Qingfeng walked up beside Yan, looking together at the slowly rising sun. "Everyone's beginning is different. What is yours?" "My beginning," Yan was silent for a moment, "is to find my own path, to explore the lost secrets." Qingfeng smiled slightly. "Then are you ready to face the challenges that are yours?" "I am ready." A flash of determination crossed Yan's eyes. Just then, a sudden peal of urgent bells shattered the morning's tranquility in the town. The two exchanged a glance, immediately realizing something had happened, and quickly ran towards the town. Upon arrival, Yan and Qingfeng saw the town square crowded with people. The town chief stood on a platform, his expression grave. "Dangerous beasts have appeared in the forest near our town, threatening our safety. We need to form a team to investigate the situation in the forest and eliminate these threats." The crowd murmured among themselves, clearly worried by the news. A thought struck Yan. He knew this might be the opportunity he was waiting for. He bravely stepped forward from the crowd to the front of the platform. "Chief, I wish to join the scouting team." The chief looked at Yan, surprise flickering in his eyes. "Yan, you are smart and brave, but this mission is dangerous. You—" "I know," Yan interrupted the chief, "but I must go. I have my reasons." After a moment of silence, the chief finally nodded. "All right, I trust you. But you cannot go alone, someone must accompany you." "I'll go with him." Qingfeng stepped forward, standing shoulder to shoulder with Yan. The chief looked at the two young men, a hint of approval in his eyes. "Very well, prepare yourselves. You leave at dawn tomorrow." Yan and Qingfeng exchanged a smile, knowing this was not only for the safety of the town but also the beginning of Yan's search for his path, a new journey about to unfold. That night, Yan stood at the door of his hut, gazing up at the stars. He knew the road ahead was filled with the unknown and danger, but his heart was full of anticipation and courage. His amethyst gold eyes reflected the twinkling of the stars, as if foretelling the adventures to come. And all of this would begin with tomorrow's sunrise.